Gruenberg saying in a joint statement.
The National Weather Service in Hanford, California has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Kings County in central California, west central Tulare County in central California, central Fresno County in central California, until 7:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 6:56 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Bowles, or 12 miles south of Fresno, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fresno, Hanford, Risley, Selma, Vanuva, Parlier, Kingsburg, Bowles, Kawa, Traver, Del Rey, Home Garden, London, Easton, Fowler, Ladin, and Carruthers. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Jamie Lee Curtis.